Hard work trying to get dressed. Do you know what? We've got one of those coffee machines downstairs and we bought some new pods for it. We usually get the Costa ones. This is Kenco. It's not quite the same. I need more of a coffee here, I think.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a how I put a outfit together. Now, usually what I do is the night before I lie in bed and I'll think, what am I going to wear tomorrow? You know, kind of think about what I'm doing in the day. Sometimes I feel like just, you know, playing dress up, so to speak. And I thought, why not? Let's show you the process. So the process, I've just sat down and thought about one particular item. So I start off with I suppose it's like building a house. So this is our foundation. This is our starting point, so to speak. So this is what I have picked as my starting point. Okay, so I have picked this dress. As you can see, it's got a lovely kind of lace detail. It's from ASOS, but I got this from the charity shop and it cost me £2.50. That I remember because I got shoes as well that were £2.50. And it's just this like little lacy dress. So that is going to be my starting point. Now you probably think, wow, a dress, that's easy. Just put a dress on and on you go. But I'm going to try and think maybe a little bit outside the box and use the dress, as I say, as my foundation, and I'm actually only going to use the skirt. So we are going to put something over the top. So I am now going to go and have a look in my t-shirt drawer to see what we can pop in the top. Okay, so I have been in my t-shirt drawer and I have picked out a Black Sabbath t-shirt. This is just a Black Sabbath t-shirt. I'm going to pop that over the top. And what I usually do with these is tuck it in. Obviously we can't do that because we're wearing a dress. So this is where one of these things comes in handy. You'll be able to see what I do with that in a moment. Now then, I want something kind of, it's not cold, but it's not warm either. And it's, you know, I mean, at the moment I'm just literally in my dog walking clothes. So I'm going to have a look in my wardrobe. Let's have a look and see. Don't judge me. Now then, I'm going to go with this jacket. Right, so pull that out. And we have got, this is a Topshop jacket. Just a green kind of linen style jacket. And it's no buttons, so it's just like a little bit of a open blazer. So I'm going to go with that as well. So, some tights as well, because just like I say, just that little bit too cold outside. And I'm going to use my Doc Martin or Dr. Martin, however you prefer to say it, boots. So I am going to get dressed in a second and then you will be able to see what the whole outfit looks like all together. So this is the finished outfit. So I didn't go with Dr. Martens in the end. I went with these boots here, which are a boot that I got from Primark, I think, not so long ago. I went with the green jacket. I've got the Black Sabbath t-shirt, got the dress on underneath, just like a little bit of a rock chick kind of style with a little bit of prettiness going in. The shoes have got like a floral decoration on, which kind of mimics the floralness of the skirt. Then I've got a belt that I got from Forever 21. It's like the double Western style belt. I used the tie to tie up the t-shirt on the centre. And that is the outfit. I forgot to say actually, this jacket I got in the I got for £1 in a charity shop, and this is from Topshop, but it's like a really nice kind of like linen style. So you could do this or a shirt or something like that, or even a leather jacket. So that is how I usually put an outfit together. I sometimes go onto Instagram or even onto Pinterest and have a look on there just to kind of get a few ideas. That then will sow the seed for the first piece, and then you can go all the way from there to shop through your wardrobe. So that is how I put an outfit together. I hope you really enjoyed that. If you are not subscribed, then please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. If you are subscribed already, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and also click that notification bell so then you know when I have uploaded a video. And I look forward to next week's video, because I now have wheels again, so we will be out and about hopefully. So thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourselves, you take care of everybody else. The world is your catwalk. Keep creating!